A Florida man is accused of beating his girlfriend in public, but when police question him, he denies everything.
Bro, stop playing with me. Hey, he hitting me. He hitting me. Hey, my lawyer, you see this? Because for what? You arrested me for no reason. That's my girl. That's my girl, bro.
Months later, the same man is back on police radar, this time in connection with his girlfriend's murder.
What is the video? We just saw a video of him hitting you out in the middle of the street. So tell me, again, did he hit you?
He didn't hit me at all, though.
This is Inside the Crime, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner. The woman reportedly told her family her boyfriend had been abusive. There was even a protective order out against him. When he's arrested for murder, he claimed he didn't do it, but the evidence seems to point toward the opposite. It's August 8, 2024. We're in Miami Beach, Florida. It's just before 12:30 in the morning when officers with the Miami Beach Police Department respond to the area of 21st and Park Avenue.
Oh man, let me see your hands. Keep your hands out of your pockets, please. All right. I know you guys were arguing. We got a lot of calls.
No, we're not arguing.
Okay.
Wrong.
So let's separate you guys so that we can talk to you and then we get your story.
According to the police department incident report, quote, upon arrival, officers observed the defendant and victim standing close together and having a discussion on the sidewalk on the 400 block of 21st Street. Both the defendant and the victim appear to have been in an altercation. The victim's hair appeared to be disheveled. The defendant was sweating profusely, bleeding from the knuckles on his hands, and the watch on his wrist had become unclipped. However, in front of officers, both insist there was no altercation.
Okay.
Wait, he wasn't even arguing.
It's our people right
Hold
now.
up, my sister's on the phone.
Okay. Hold on. That's very important. Him not reaching into his pockets. We don't know what he has under there.
We weren't even arguing, though.
Do you have a problem with him?
No, nobody's fighting.
Okay, so who was arguing then?
Nobody, I did see a couple running by arguing, but no, I'm not fighting with him or nothing.
Did you call the police about the couple?
No, I did see a couple running by fighting.
How long ago?
Like 20 minutes ago.
20 minutes ago?
Not even 20 minutes ago, like 15 minutes ago. Wait, excuse me.
Hold on, I need you. Hey, listen. You guys gotta. Oh, hold on. I'll get your phone.
We're not even fighting though. We wasn't even fighting though.
Relax.
A couple did just pass by fighting, but me and him are not fighting. We have to go right now.
Thank you. Which is here, right?
¿Habla español?
Un poquito.
Okay, so what I'm trying to explain to you, she don't know. I'll just explain to him everything what's happening.
I hear you. On this side, I hear you.
There was a group fighting over there, and they saw it.
The Miami Beach Police report identified the man as 28-year-old Lorent Pion Jr., and the woman was 21-year-old Nahomi Cittadini. Officers speak to witnesses who confirm it was Lorent and Nahomi that were in a physical altercation right before police arrived.
Hey, is it them?
We have a video of him hitting her.
Can I see it? Yeah, 39. I need your information just so that we know that we talked to you.
Lorent, okay. Can you go stand over there with him?
I need you to stand over here before you get arrested, all right?
Why am I gonna get arrested?
Because you have to start listening to what we're asking you. That's all. Okay, you've been very hyped up from the beginning, and you're lying to us. Okay.
How am I lying to you guys?
Okay, you've been. Is that your sister?
No.
No. Okay. So he's gonna be under arrest for hitting you.
He didn't hit me though.
What is the video? We just saw a video of him hitting you out in the middle of the street. So tell me, again, did he hit you?
He didn't hit me at all though.
Law&Crime has obtained the cell phone video that was collected as evidence. It's a little too violent to show on YouTube in full, but here's what it shows according to the police report. The video shows the defendant striking the victim forcefully in the face with an open-handed slap. The victim then attempts to get away, and the defendant grabs the victim by the hair and forcefully pulls her down to the ground. As the victim is on the ground, she is covered by a parked vehicle in the shoulder, and the defendant bends over and appears to strike her again with a closed fist. So even though he denies hitting his girlfriend, the video was enough for officers to place Lorent in cuffs.
What you talking about? Bro, hey, hold on, bro. Hey, listen. What you saying, bro? How you saying relax?
Relax.
Bro, mami, díselo. Mami, hey, calm down.
Man, you're gonna catch another charge.
Excuse me.
Relax.
Listen,
Get next to my
I got a lawyer.
Okay.
Let me tell you something.
You can talk to your
I'm
lawyer.
on probation, okay?
Well, I guess you're
I
fucked.
don't. Okay, that's what I'm trying to explain to
I
you.
can't help you, man.
How the tell me you can help me? Wait.
Come over here, man.
How?
Face my
How
car.
you gonna tell me that, bro?
Face my car. Face my car. You're under arrest.
How? Can I speak with your sergeant? Because look here. She's supposed to.
Face
Let
my
me tell you
car.
something.
I'm not gonna do this.
Okay. I need you to write me my rights.
I don't need to read your
Okay.
rights. I already-
How you gonna tell me you're gonna write me
for me,
my
bro.
rights?
Please do
Mommy,
everything.
listen. Hey, mommy. She's not saying nothing.
Get away.
Can you show me what video you guys are seeing? Because you can check all the cameras. I'll
You
stand
need-
here.
you need to
meanwhile,
go.
you guys check all the
You're
cameras.
gonna end up getting locked up too. Call your
Bro,
sister to
listen.
pick you up.
Listen. I need to speak with a sergeant, bro. Listen, ain't no papo. I need my rights, bro. What rights? Hold on, bro. Listen. I'm on camera.
Relax.
I'm on camera. I'm asking you for my rights.
Relax.
I'm asking you for my rights. Ain't no rights. Hey, Lu, si no gano. No. Hey, escúchame. Ella no tiene. Bro, stop playing with me. Hey, he hitting me. Hey, my lawyer, you see this? They don't want to press charges or nothing. They doing this for no reason. Hey, I'm on camera. Stop playing, bro. Stop playing.
Stop.
What you doing? You for my rights. Mami, llama al 911. I'll fight for my life. I'll fight for my life, bro. Mami,
Can you
I
please
just...
call the surgeon for me?
Yeah,
I'll stay
once-
here meanwhile you guys check all the cameras.
Can you
'Cause
chill
there's
out?
no way.
You're
There
doing
is
some
no
hard,
way.
bro. I was talking
You
to
guys
you,
are
bro.
saying that
Can
they
you
have
chill
a
out,
You
though?
know that, bro.
Please
I'm
go
trying to
check
pat
all
you
the
down and
cameras.
put you in my car and you're acting a
Put
fool.
me on my car for what? You arrested me for no reason. That's my girl. That's my girl, bro.
Can you please check the video because you did not
Just
hit
saw
me?
in clear as day. Him in the middle of the street, you in the middle of the street, and him hitting you.
He didn't hit me though.
Okay, so say he swung
So
at you.
let me see the video.
You can see it in court, but you don't have to press charges against him. But what we saw is you cannot go over there.
Wait,
Listen, you cannot go over there, man.
what do you mean?
You cannot go.
Excuse me.
Listen, you cannot go
Look
over
how you're
there.
forcing me
Relax.
though.
Yes.
Look how you're
I'm
forcing
telling
me. That's
you, you can't go over
crazy.
there.
Mommy, she's not saying nothing.
I told her to stay
Can you
here.
show
She
me
doesn't
what
know that.
video you guys are seeing? Because you could check all the cameras. I'll stand here. Meanwhile, you guys check all the
Listen,
cameras.
You're gonna both get arrested. Okay, I'm trying to avoid that. I'm sorry, but I'm very happy that you guys were able to speak up and
It's the right thing to do. It's scary, but we want to.
no, yeah. And in those type of relationships, the victim
Yes. Yeah.
is traumatized,
Yeah.
if you can say. Okay, so let me see the video one more time.
He
You had
has the main one. They were fighting for a lot first, so that's why we started filming.
Okay. You pulled her hair, pulled her to the floor. All right, so I'm gonna give you some information, so you can send it to me.
Sure.
And send me everything you have.
Sure.
I'm gonna take your statements real quick.
Okay.
I just gotta get my phone to start giving you the information.
Sure.
Little out of breath, but I'm okay. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. All right, so let's start with your information. I feel like I've arrested this guy before. I gotta look. I think I arrested him for something similar too. Really?
That's the hope, is they'll learn and stuff.
Okay, so tell me what you saw.
I heard shouting outside for 2 or 3 minutes, and then we have a 2-story apartment, so I went out on the 3rd floor
Okay.
balcony and looked down, and in the meanwhile I heard my son coming upstairs saying, Mom, do you hear that fighting? And I said, yes, it looks really scary. And I looked down, and my son was behind me, and that's when I saw it became physically violent. And they were continuing to shout at each other. and then I called 911 to report it while my son continued to watch and film.
Okay.
And I could hear them shouting a lot in Spanish.
According to the case report, at the time of this incident, Lorent and Nahomi had been together about a year, and they were living together. But following the altercation, an officer informed Nahomi a mandatory restraining order would be in effect.
I hope you understand that we're not here just to mess with you guys. Okay? When we see that there's actual footage of a grown man beating a woman, you know, it takes things to a different level. Okay, you shouldn't have to deal with that. Whether you guys argue or not, you shouldn't have to deal with that. I've been doing this for 13 years. It's the same thing over and over again. It's this toxic relationship. You gotta find another guy. You gotta find yourself. Okay. Obviously, he's going to jail tonight. He's gonna have like a restraining order. You're gonna have a restraining order against him until
I don't want
the
a
case
restraining order against him.
it's mandatory until the case is closed. Okay. So if he comes in
Contact with me or
he can get in
anything,
trouble.
yeah.
So if you're still good with him, just
Make sure we don't come.
make sure. All right. How long have you guys been together?
Not even a year.
Not even a year. Do you live together?
Yeah.
Okay. And for that year or almost a year, you guys live? Okay. Do you need a case card? So you know the case? All right. All right. You got her information as well?
It's her first name / last name, middle name, DOB, address where she's living at.
Okay.
Dating for 1 year,
Okay.
living together, no children.
Thank you.
Or child. And then there's her phone number, no email. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for the cooperation. I know it's rough, but
She's just requesting, he has phones that she would like to get. So
okay.
Phone.
Okay. The car keys. Is the car under your name or his name?
Is my sister's.
It's your sister's car. What's her name? So I can
Celia
look it up.
Cittadini.
Now I need you cooperating. So we have to get you going through the process and get you back home. I've already told you, I did probation for 13 years. You're going to be fine. You just need to listen to me and do what I'm telling you to do. I'm not making this up. You're going to be fine.
Listen, my bad for bother you.
You're not bothering me.
Look, my girl is right here, right now.
This 5x5 foot is a
He say he got a video that I'm hitting my girl. That's
Okay.
my girl right now.
Listen, before you keep talking,
Okay.
everything you're saying to me is
I
recorded.
understand that.
I just want to make sure you know. So,
That's exactly what I'm trying to let you know, because I'm on probation. I know the system. I know how everything works. I don't know what's trying to do resisting arrest. I don't know what's trying to do that. The only reason I don't want to jump inside the car because I want to talk with the sergeant. Because I was talking with him. He never tried me wrong. Maybe we got a misunderstanding.
Okay.
He doing his job. I understand everything.
Okay,
The only thing I'm trying to explain to you, Bern, my girl right now is here.
Okay.
You can look at it. She don't got no bruise. She don't got no nothing. It's a person over there.
Hey, do the axon capture.
In the corner.
Got you.
In the corner, they was fighting. Okay, we came all the way over there. That's when they came and find me. Okay, and they was thinking that we was the one that was fighting.
Okay.
Okay, look, my girl, you can ask the same
listen,
thing.
Hey,
I don't-
Sergeant, listen. Sergeant's gonna come and talk to you. We're gonna listen to you.
Okay.
But you see, just like how we're giving you that respect of
Thank
listening to
you.
you, I want you to remain calm because we're gonna
Thank
talk.
you. Thank you.
They're gonna investigate. Now,
I
in the
understand.
end, the investigation may still lead to you being arrested. An arrest don't mean nothing.
Ma'am,
Listen,
it is
it
because
is.
I'm
I know
on
you're.
probation.
I used to be a PO.
I'm supposed to be
I
in
know.
contact with the police.
Don't
That's why I was
worry.
trying to explain to
It's
you way
okay.
before I'm in
Listen,
handcuffs.
Listen what happens.
You
though.
know?
So now you are. Right?
I know, Mama.
Now, how you continue to react is going to make, just listen. I used to be a PO, so you need to listen to me. I'm giving you the best advice of your life.
I'm listening.
How you continue to proceed is going to make a difference.
Thank you.
Okay, just because you got arrested, your probation is going to be fine. Trust
Ma'am,
to believe me.
I
Relax.
cannot be in the
If you do, it's not a big deal. You can be reinstated from probation, so don't worry
Ma'am.
about that. But how you react moving forward is going to determine a lot of things in life. So we'll listen to you.
Officer.
There's a sergeant. You can repeat
Thank
it
you.
again, and then
How you
when
doing?
you finish talking, you're going to give us the opportunity to speak.
Thank you.
Right?
Thank you.
And we're going to stay calm and be civil.
I appreciate it.
All right, that's the start.
Lorent Pion was arrested on charges of battery and resisting an officer without violence. Both charges were reportedly misdemeanors. However, Lorent still seems worried this arrest could affect his probation.
It's domestic. There's a problem. You know what I'm saying? You beat up some other dude on the street, random. Nobody wants to prosecute, all game. You go your way, he goes his way. Or you're this is a domestic issue.
All right, Lauren, remember what I said. I personally will call your officer for you.
One question. I'm on probation, right? Now you say I'm going to be promised. Oh, that's two things. I'm available. I'm going to be able to get out.
I've never worked the court system or probation. I don't know how that works. You did probation?
Yeah, I told him several times.
Okay.
You did that, you just stop playing. You're going to go see your judge.
And I will be
And
able to
from
get
there,
out.
your judge will decide if they're going to reinstate you, and then yes, you'll be right back on. Now, what happened with this case? You'll go to court for this case, just like you went to court for the other case, and then they'll figure out what they're going to do. But if, like you said, no one testifies, no one shows up,
Listen,
you understand? Then there's no.
This is all your,
So
this
just
is all your property, right? Your money, your
don't add nothing
the
to
cell
it.
phone here, those glasses, the keys. Yeah.
The key fob? When all this to go to your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Okay. That's why we're trying to tell
I'm
you.
missing another phone.
She has it.
Oh, she, no,
The
no,
phone she's holding?
the white one. That's the black one. Mommy,
He's
check
giving
out
her
that.
the black one. Okay? So come, let's get you started and get you going. So by tomorrow morning, you can see your judge. Okay?
Receiving right now, ready for domestic offense. You want to call about it?
No, you're going in. We already start you.
No.
Get in and I'll have her come over here and talk to you.
The phone number that she has.
I'm gonna get it for you. Get in and I'll have her come over here.
El
Get
número
in and
ese,
sit
no
for
me lo
me.
sé.
Okay? Sit down in the car for me. I'll bring her over here. Okay? I'm going to bring her over here once you get in the car.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Close the door. Bring her come. Bring her come. I'll give her 1 minute. Come here, young lady.
Lorent Pion Jr. was later released from jail after reportedly posting bond. But within months, detectives would be investigating another crime allegedly involving Lorent Pion Jr. But this time, the crime was murder. According to court documents, on December 7th of 2024, just after 6 a.m., units with the Florida Highway Patrol were dispatched to I-95 northbound and Ibis Dairy Road on ramp after getting reports of a man and woman fighting near the roadway. The filing says multiple calls were received in reference to the male and female fighting and a male dragging a female into a black SUV. While en route to the scene, units were advised via dispatch that a body is now observed on the side of the roadway at the dispatch location. It goes on to state, the victim was observed naked and in a prone position on the side of the roadway with trauma to the body. MDFR personnel determined the victim was deceased. Police identified the victim as Nahomi Cittadini. According to a December 2024 arrest warrant, the victim was last seen with the subject while leaving the Cheetah's Gentleman Club. The document goes on to say a witness told investigators Lorent Pion allegedly showed up to his home with blood all over his body. When the witness confronted Lorent, he allegedly said Nahomi jumped out of his vehicle in the area of I-95 and Ibis Dairy Road when she was struck by an unknown vehicle who fled the area. Court documents say the subject attempted to put the victim in his vehicle, but she refused. The subject further advised that he heard an ambulance in the distance and fled the area because he and the victim are co-defendants on an unknown case and cannot be together. The subject then advised the witness that he looked in the rearview mirror as he was driving away and observed the victim being placed in the ambulance and taken to an unknown hospital. Investigators found Lorent the same day. According to his arrest warrant, investigators learned Lorent was actually supposed to be on house arrest and was wearing an ankle monitor. The ankle monitor reportedly pinned his location to an apartment complex, but when officers arrived, Lorent allegedly tried to flee. Court documents say while attempting to initiate a traffic stop, the subject began to flee in the vehicle entering Miami-Dade County and returning back into Broward County. At the intersection of Red Road and Miramar Parkway, the subject came to a stop after crashing into multiple vehicles. The subject then fled from his vehicle on foot and was ultimately taken into custody by officers of MDPD and Miramar Police Department. Lorent Pion Jr. was ultimately charged with second-degree murder in connection to Nahomi's death. In February 2025, he reportedly wrote a letter to the judge declaring his innocence, claiming Nahomi died from a hit-and-run accident. Online court records show Lorent Pion Jr. is being held behind bars in the Miami-Dade County Jail on no bond. His next court hearing is in October. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Inside the Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner, and we'll see you back here tomorrow with another case.